Hi, hello, welcome. Welcome to today's session. Before discussing today's concept, let me check. On Saturday or in the weekend, we assigned open book assessment number 3 from the chapter What is Democracy? Why Democracy? So I hope all the 15 questions are very clear and all the questions are made possible for you to attend. Those who attended and completed the work, we appreciate for your completed work. Those who not yet completed and not yet started, I advise go ahead with completing or taking part, involving yourself in completing your part of work. Then coming to the point, in the previous session of our discussion about the chapter Socialism in Europe and Russian Revolution, we discussed two different concepts from the chapter. One is Socialism in Russia 1905 revolution or revolt. So after discussing these two different concepts, let us continue our discussion from the chapter. Today's topic is Bloody Sunday. Bloody Sunday. Bloody Sunday is one such important event which was launched by various workers working in different industrial units. So before that, in the year 1904, prices for essential goods which are mainly used by all the different sections of groups of people in the society, they rised very quickly, and the actual price for these essential goods, they completely declined. They fall down about 20%. So this particular situation, during this time, 4 members of Putilov iron workers, they are dismissed from their working station, working unit or working place. So because of that, opposing the decision taken in dismissing the workers from the working place, action was called, movement was called. In this particular movement, about more than 110,000 workers, they gathered in St. Petersburg, and these gathered workers, they went on strike. Their main intention, their main demand is reduction in working hours and increasing in wage. So they demanded for reducing the total time made for them to work, and also they demanded for increasing, hiking their wages or salaries. So the procession was mainly led by Father Gapan. So this particular procession, where more than 110,000 workers gathered at St. Petersburg, it was mainly attacked, suppressed by police and Cossacks. police and Cossacks. So Cossacks means it is the troop which is reserved or which is offered or which are going to enter only during the time of emergency. So present what we are calling a BSF and CRPF, any other police forces, in order to bring the situation under the control. So here police and Cossacks, they are going to attack on the workers who are taken place in the procession. And in this particular attacks between workers and police, so more than 100 workers, they are going to be killed. Because of that, strikes took place around the Russia as a reaction, as a mark of the highlighting the actions made by the police, and people went with demanding the Constituent Assembly need to be framed or formed in Russia in order to solve the problem of common people and common workers. Then the Tsar allowed the creation of an elected consultative parliament or Duma. So when the workers raised their demand in forming the Constituent Assembly, and in order to suppress or in order to take the control on the movement started by these workers in St. Petersburg, so Tsar, he made or he allowed for the creation of consultative parliament or Duma, D-U-M-A. So Duma or parliament is going to be formed, but within the completion of 75 working days, Tsar dismissed first Duma formed in Russia, and he announces for the formation of second Duma through the elections. So I repeat once again, Bloody Sunday is one such event which was taken place where demands for essential goods increased and wages for the workers, it is declined by 20%. So increase in essential goods, prices for essential goods, and decreased wages, it made very drastic situation for workers to balance their regular life. So that's why action or strike movement was called by Putilov iron workers in at St. Petersburg. And in this particular action, about 110,000 people are going to take place, and their main demand is to reduce the working hours and increase the wages. And this particular procession was mainly led by Father Gapan, and this particular procession was mainly tried to suppress by police as well as Cossacks on the order of Tsar. So in this particular procession, about 100 workers are going to be killed, and strikes around Russia is going to take place, and the people around Russia, they goes on demanding forming the Constituent Assembly. So after this particular event, Tsar, in order to take the control of event, so he announces for the creation of an elected consultative parliament or Duma. So first elected consultative parliament is going to be formed. So this particular Duma is going to be dismissed within 75 days, and Tsar, he announces for the formation of second Duma immediately after the dismissing of first Duma. So after discussing this Bloody Sunday, so we will continue our discussion from the chapter about other remaining concept in the tomorrow's session. So until then, take care of yourself, stay at home, stay safe. Thank you one and all.